In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple button hover effect in Figma. Whether you're new to Figma or just looking to refine your design skills, this guide will walk you through each step to create an interactive design element that enhances user experience with subtle visual feedback. Let's begin by setting up your button design. Open Figma and create the button you want to apply the hover effect to. This design can be as simple or detailed as you like, although for our purposes, we'll focus on a straightforward example. Once your button is ready, create a copy of it. This duplicate will serve as the second state for your hover effect. Now, with your second button, we'll make the visual changes that will define the hover state. You can alter aspects such as size or color. In this example, let's stick to something simple yet noticeable. We'll switch the colors of the text and the button itself. This change will be the key visual cue for users. Next, it's time to set up the interaction. Head over to the Prototype tab in the right panel of your Figma interface. Hover over the side of your original button until you see a plus sign appear. This plus sign allows you to create a connection between the two button states. Click and drag from the plus sign to the second button. Doing this opens up a configuration box where you'll modify the interaction settings. In this pop-up, set the trigger to while hovering. This tells Figma to switch states when the user hovers over the button. For the animation, choose Smart Animate. This option allows Figma to automatically calculate and animate the differences between your two button states, providing a smooth transition. You'll also want to set the curve to ease in and out for a natural flow to the animation. Don't forget to specify a duration that suits your design. Typically, something like 200 to 300 milliseconds works well, but you can adjust this based on your preference. Experimenting with these settings, like animation curves and durations, can be particularly rewarding, letting you tailor the hover effect to perfectly match your design vision. Try different combinations and see what feels right for your interface. Finally, after setting up your interaction, it's time to test it out. Click on the Present or Preview button at the top right corner to see your newly created hover effect in action. This preview will give you an immediate look at how users will experience your button interaction. And there you have it, a simple yet effective button hover effect in Figma that enhances user engagement through interactive and dynamic design.